Welcome into the field of physics. These guys on Hannibal TV just confirmed my orb videos with what they're saying and showing here. It's highly strange because of the timing. This was released one day ago. Today's Monday. I released my stuff on Thursday, and my follow-up videos after that. They're showing exactly the same thing that I was showing y'all, with these plasma balls jumping around and vanishing and then coming back into visible light. Very strange also is Mick West just tried to debunk this whole thing. So you're gonna see some pretty wild stuff go on in this video, just like I've been telling and showing y'all. So here's confirmation that these people are seeing this stuff on some really good cameras. So this is John and Gary Tedesco. They're two engineers. We're taping, or who knows where they got the footage from. For real.
Yeah, and I saw that on your News Nation interview, like the peekaboo orb that was kind of like hiding from you, and like that was a weird. That would almost be like what would be considered ghost activity in the past.
Yes, it's very similar. That thing did that peekaboo 4 times behind the sign.
What are you thinking when you're seeing that?
Your eyes makes you question yourself. And if it wasn't on camera, you would.
Is there any fear? Like, is this thing going to do to see this so close?
That was more like a wow moment because it seemed
Here we go.
Then there's other incidents like we had in August.
Very
August
interesting.
28th one night, and that was more startling and more fight or flight response. Can you guys see this? See the
Yeah.
Okay,
it's moving.
Yeah, so this is an object, and this is an analysis video. What we did was we were going frame by frame, and we zoomed in on it to get a better look at what we were looking at with this object. Now you'll see it's got the same kaleidoscope effect out there, and of course we were accused by some debunkers that this is nothing more than an airplane, and well, let's just say the name, Mick West. Mick West claimed it was an airplane. I wasn't going to do it. Yeah, it's not an airplane. And it says I actually looked at this with a pair of binoculars. The mass is too compact. There's no anti-collision beacons, which would be very obvious. Right. There's so many data points that Mick West didn't say. The cloud-based ceiling, the cloud-based height, I should say, was roughly about 2,000 feet that night. So, an aircraft that was at that altitude, would have been very easy to see, and we would have tracked it on our radar as well. This was not the case. This is an object that was just below that cloud layer. It was polyhedral in shape. It was rotating, and as it was rotating, you saw this kaleidoscope of color. In some cases, there was some kind of a luminous side to it, one of the sides. And as it rotates 180 degrees around, it goes dark. You don't see it. It's only this, either it's a luminous or reflective characteristic of the object. But it is bending light in such a way that it's producing this kaleidoscope of color.
There you go. Confirmation. It's what I've been trying to tell y'all. And who's the first person that they bring up trying to debunk it? Mick West. Same guy trying to debunk all the MH370 stuff. And then you never heard nothing from him. Who knows where they really got that footage? Go back and watch my videos. More to come on this.